Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm your host, and my name's Chazia Kawala. Hey, in this short video, we'll be defining what legging is. So this week, basically, we're just looking at the definition of legging. What is legging? Now, from my own definition, I would find legging as a branch under mechanical engineering that involves lifting of load from one point to another. Hey, be mindful, in legging, we do not refer to what we are lifting as an object, but the technical term is known as loads. So basically we are saying is a branch under mechanical engineering that involves lifting of a load from one point to another. Now, we are saying rigging involves three activities. And these three activities that rigging involves, number one is known as lifting operation and movement of load. So any lifting operation from point A to point B, that is rigging. And therefore, any movement of a load from one point to another, that is referred as rigging. Now, the other one is scaffolding and working at height. Now, we are simply saying that rigging involves scaffolding and working at height. Hey, basically, you know that a scaffold is a platform that enables men to access any height at ease. That is a scaffold. So we're saying this rigging involves the activity of scaffolding and working at height. So later on in other videos, we are going to be looking at these three activities of rigging and zeroing in. And then we're saying rigging is a transportation of loads using various modes or means. For instance, the use of a forklift, for instance, the use of a chain block, the use of rollers, the use of hydraulic jack, hey, the use of a mobile crane, that is rigging, and actual transportation of a load via a load bed, that is rigging. So we are basically saying this rigging involves load transportation from one point to another using various methods or means. Now, under various methods of means, we'll zero in the next video to talk about more about each equipment. Therefore, all these activities that we have mentioned are based on scientifically proven methods, and these methods are according to Sir Isaac Newton's third law of motion. And Sir Isaac Newton's third law of motion states that to every action there is an equal but opposite reaction. So when we lift a load from one point to another, there is a gravitational force that is trying to pull. That is why when it comes to lifting operation, definitely there are certain safety factors that we consider when we come to sling angles and shackles that we are supposed to use during lifting. So in this week's video, actually in summary, we are defining what rigging is and the activities that involves rigging. And in short, in summary, we are simply saying rigging is under mechanical engineering. It's a branch under mechanical engineering that involves lifting of roads from one point to another, transportation, scaffolding, and working at height. Like basically we said, it involves around three things. Number one, we are simply saying lifting operation and movement of load. Then number two, we are saying transportation of loads using various modes or means. Then lastly, we are simply saying scaffolding and working at height. Thank you so much. I've been your host, and my name's Chazia Kawala. Until next week, I see you. I say cheers, like, subscribe, share my YouTube channel. Thank you.